project which is the Smart Blind Stick.
There are almost 18 million people in India who are blind and 3.5 million people who are completely blind.
In order to help them, we have made this stick.
Now I will tell you the components of the stick. Ultrasonic sensors, jumper wires, Arduino UNOs, then the breadboard, then DC buzzers and this battery.
The process of making this stick are: first, we have to take a PVC pipe and place Arduino and ultrasonic sensor on it. Second, we have to burn the code in the Arduino. Third, we have to connect the Arduino and ultrasonic sensor with the help of jumper wire. Third, we have to place a DC buzzer on the stick. Then we have to connect it with the help of breadboard and Arduino. So now our project is ready, and just we have to provide it power and it will start.
I will tell you some functions of this. In this smart stick there is a ultrasonic sensor which sends the obstacle from a distance, and then it wants the person to change the place.
Future scopes of this project. It will help in reduction of accident cases of blind person. Second, in the advancement of this, there we can also add the GPS trackers and distance managers from which we can help the blind people to go. And third, from the commercial point of view, it is also having a great scope. If we have connected it with NGOs or any industries, so it would be of great use. Now, for demonstration, I would like to call Antrik. We have provided him a stick. This beep sounds help that blind person to move from the side of that object.
Thanks to Durga ma'am, Karole sir and Lacheta sir who guide and help us to make this stick. Thank you.
Once more.
This is used to decrease the accidents due to the rush of vehicles.
Oh, nice. And what component did you use in this?
For making this automatic toll tax barrier, I used Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, and jumper wire, and also a breadboard.
Oh, where did you use this? Where did you use this?
We can use this at toll plazas where the government uses it to collect tax from vehicles, and at parking lots we can take rent from this with the help of this barrier to stop the vehicles.
So, what will happen if we didn't collect tax from people in not systematic order?
If we will not collect tax in systematic order, so this may cause accident. So it is used to decrease the accident. So we use barrier.
So, let's see now what will happen.
Yes, let's see the demonstration of our drug. Here are you the road where the transmitter of the sensor transmits the ultrasonic sensor.
Oh, nice. So, I understand what is the use of this AI toll tax barrier. Thank you. Here we are presenting a audio-based automatic irrigation system using soil moisture sensor. It is prepared by Vrinda Billore, Vallabi Saraf, Vrinda Joshi and Sanskrit Shroff. So let's begin with its demonstration.
This is our project of automatic irrigation system using Arduino. In this system, we have used a soil moisture sensor. When the sensor detects that the moisture of the soil is low, so it will start irrigating. And after, when the soil gets sufficient amount of water, it will automatically turn off. When you will use it with wet soil, there will be no irrigation as it already contains moisture. This was just an introduction. Now let us see about its components.
Arduino, it receives inputs and gives outputs. Sensor, it detects the moisture of the soil wherever it is high or low. Pump, it pumps the water. Pipe, the water travels through it. Jumper wires, they are used for connections. Now let us see its working. As mentioned earlier, this system uses a soil moisture sensor. The soil moisture sensor, when dipped in the dry soil, and if the soil contains the moisture level less than 10%, then the pump will automatically switch on and there will be water supply. But if you will dip it into wet soil, and if the soil contains the moisture more than 80%, then there will be no water supply. And the pump also automatically switches off when there is enough water supply to the soil.
This future scope. This system will be very useful in future, not only for gardening purpose, but also it may find its use in large-scale production of crops. In future, almost everyone could be busy in their works, so even if they want to do gardening, they will not have time to look after their crops. So this system will help you a lot. Also, if you don't know about the amount of water to be irrigated to the plants, this system will help you.
Now let us see its demonstration.
In dry soil. So let us see what will happen when we dip the sensor in the wet soil.
This is because the soil already contains a lot of moisture, more than 80%. That's why there was no water supply. Now let us see it into dry soil and see what happens.
Sensor measures distance of a target object by emitting sound waves.
Servo motor. Servo can rotate around 180 degrees.
Fourth, TT gear motor. A gear motor is a component whose mechanism adjusts the speed of the motor. Fifth, motor driver shield. Motor allow you to use Arduino to control the working speed and direction of the motor.
With this beautiful thought, I would like to present over here. Today we are here with the project radar that is based on Arduino. First, what is
radar. The word radar means radio detection and ranging.
Do you know the first time radar was developed as a method of detecting enemy aircraft in World War II?
Radar is an object detecting system that determines the speed, range, and the location of the object.
Now, let us see how it works. The radar system generally consists of a transmitter that produces an electromagnetic signal which is radiated into space by an antenna. When this signal strikes an object, it gets reflected, re-radiated in many directions.
Radars are now used to navigate a ship in a fog and aircraft in a bad weather. Most importantly to meteorologists it helps to detect the atmospheric phenomena in any condition.
Now, let us see its demonstration. Detecting the graphical display utilizes the position of the detected object on the computer to send visual alarm on LED screen.
It can detect objects up to 400 cm away from the ultrasonic sensor.
This Arduino radar project aims to achieve a radar prototype based on an Arduino board that detects stationary and moving objects.
Radars are used to safely control air traffic.
Radars have been used for airport, air traffic control, military exercise, and many other applications.
रखो पास में और
When the object comes near to that radar, it detects the waves and radiates
In the LED. Thank you, judges.
Now, here we are using ultrasonic sensor, and through this ultrasonic sensor, the hand sanitizer is coming.